Hey guys, Jose here from etc. Let's begin with this beautiful device. Okay, so it's a Logitech K380. The packaging is phenomenal, I guess. Okay, let's open it up. Well, inside the box, you get the good packaging with a basic manual in Chinese and English, I guess. Well, the packaging is in plastic and the keyboard looks amazing. We'll keep it aside. Okay, this is the manual which is written in Chinese and English, I guess. Let's put it aside. Okay, the box is good, the packaging is normal. Now let us check out the keyboard. So as you can see, the keyboard looks phenomenal in the packaging. Let's open it up. So it has a connection manual, I guess. Yeah, it's a connection manual. Okay, so the keyboard is made of plastic, the whole plastic, but the quality is very good. Okay, and the buttons are too much touchy. The buttons look great while typing.